But get her, how you ask me if me know? Get her, I don't like people business. I always at home cleaning my house and minding my business. I don't know who bun fall feather behind Jakie house. But listen, get her. When me hear say, right? Me hear say that Jakie a bamanko, a honyo, a coup, a bosun. And them say Jakie now always accost everybody in the village. Me and he can't say it either. But you know, I'm a woman of God. I don't answer back Jakie. Well, they say now, somebody went last night and get full feather. And knowing that Jakie had bamanko. And them say, them like the full feather behind Jakie bedroom window. And when Jakie smelled the foul feather, them said the bamanko start to whistle. They said the boss start one piece of whistling. Girl, me only tell you me hair so because I don't get entangled in people business and commerce. Right? Yes. They say if this is speed for Jakie, he went down the road at a boat speed. They say if you say speed for Jakie because he fall for the scent, make his bamanko whistle. Yes, I saw me here. Girl, yes. Anyway, I'm going back to pray. So I call all the commerce crew. Where are my commerce crew? Make sure comment in the comment section. And if you haven't starting to follow me as yet, follow me, subscribe, and press the notification bell. Okay, let me call you back and press the notification bell. Yes, right here on YouTube, Skylarking with Collin. See you the next time. All my commerce crew, come in. Yes! Why? Story never talk, but time a day.
Okay, let's go.